Unit 2 research by me, Vance Jones. Let's get it. First is William Caslon, born in 1692 and died in 1766. Caslon will be known as one of the founding fathers of typefaces. But so as for career and education, he trained as an engraver near Birmingham in Europe. He started business in 1716 as a gunsmith, actually, and then a bookbinder's tool cutter. His first design was an Arabic made at the English size 14, and he was inspired by the Dutch Baroque types. So this is some of his work right here. Moving on. Next, we have Oswald Cooper, born in 1879 and died in 1940. So for career and education, he left school at 17 to become a printer's devil, which obviously is just an apprentice for a printer. He studied illustration at Frank Holmes School of Illustration, and in the school he actually was super bad at drawing, but he was really good in his lettering class. So he got to help out the school with some of that stuff. He formed design firm of Birch and Cooper in 1904, and this ultimately led him to creating the Cooper series, the Cooper Black series, and the Cooper Full Face series. And down here is just some of his work as well. Moving on. Lastly, Matthew Carter, born in 1937 and is still alive today, still kicking. Career and education, he's most widely read man in the world according to New Yorker Profile. He attended Oxford, and once he was done with that, later on in his career, he actually taught at Yale University and got to design a lot of the type fonts for him. One of the last people in Europe to be formally trained in punch cutting, and he designed the masthead logo for Private Eye magazine, which is a magazine in London. So the top right, or the top left right here on the middle picture is a little logo he created. And then he also created the Yale logo. And yep, that's about it. Thank you.